How to use Higgsfield AI Unlimited. Want unlimited AI video creation? Here's how to use Higgsfield AI Unlimited step by step. So, first and foremost, go ahead and sign up for an Higgsfield AI account. Go to higgsfield.ai, create an account, and choose the unlimited plan. So, you'd basically find that on the available plans on Higgsfield. Now, once you have availed the unlimited plan, from your dashboard, select tools like Seed Dream, Video Generator, Mood Boards, or Motion Design. Type a text prompt describing your video style modifiers like cinematic, realistic, or animated, and then click on Generate to create your video. Edit outputs directly or refine with new prompts. And export it in HD or 4K and then share instantly to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. That's it. Sign up, prompt, generate, and share. Higgsfield AI Unlimited gives you endless creative power. That is how to use Higgsfield AI Unlimited.